Hello everyone all around the world. I am excited and I am Jeff Teague. Today we're going to be talking about the all-new third generation, completely redesigned from the ground, from the ceiling, to the front, to the back. Everything's been redesigned in this new Tundra. This is the Limited 4x4. And remember, with Tundra Limited, you can get it in two different cab configurations. You can either get double cab or you can get CrewMax. The CrewMax has a larger back seat than the double cab. It comes in 5.5-foot bed standard, or you can get the longer bed to make it 6.5 feet. Or you can get it with double cab configuration. Normally it's 6.5 foot, smaller back seat, or you can get a little bit longer and go 8 foot 1 inch. Your choice, down boy. I'm stuck in here, so luckily I got an escape hatch. See, that was easy. Not so scared anymore. So imagine the benefit here. You're loaded down, you're loaded up, you got gear, you got things to stuff in here, right? Well, I can't quite reach, so, hey, it's dampened down for slow lowering, but it's also dampened up. It's a lot lighter, easier to go up. Let's take a look inside Limited, and remember, one thing you sacrifice, you gain in another area. So this one here has a smaller back seat than the CrewMax. It's very tall, but it'll have less legroom than in the CrewMax, like I said, but the benefit is you get a 6.5-foot bed standard. All right, let's go to the front seats now, and then we'll look from behind as well. This one has black seating. You could see the accent pattern, looks like behind, and it just breaks things up. Remember, this is the luxury model. Does it have JBL? You betcha, Fargo, North Dakota, you betcha. So let's look in here. Got power adjustable seat for lumbar support, and look how fast that comes out. Just like that. This is heated and cooled seats. Nice chunky headrest that does not interfere with your neck wanting to be comfortable. Anybody who has one of those forward facing ones, you know what I mean. Let's take a look, and of course the thing you're going to notice first, probably the touch screen. It's a 14-inch screen. Toyota makes an 8-inch or a 14-inch. It's like I'm ordering a sub, right? I'll take the 14-inch multimedia touchscreen, the new audio multimedia system. You'll see the digital rear view mirror, so you have an unobstructed view of what's behind you. Excellent for safety. This display here, two different displays that you'll see. This one here is the 4.2-inch display or 4-inch display with gauge clusters there. You can also get the larger, more involved 12.3-inch display. We've got electronic parking brake and brake hold, the shifter, and then here's our 4-wheel drive. 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. And it also comes with different drive modes like Eco for better gas mileage, Sport for faster acceleration, and then normal mode. It's got the tow haul button. And then look, we've got our wireless charging. Some of these features are not quite finished, so some of the materials that you see will be more polished when it's all done. What do we have back here? A nice little cubby. And then we've got AC power, and then different USB hookups as well. Take a look at the profile. It's completely different here. You're gonna see lots of flair, very muscular, very bold front end. And then we've got these mirrors. These are power folding mirrors as well. They're color keyed along with the gloss black accent. And then you'll see, again, thinking prestige and upper class, right? We've got chrome plated handles along with the Limited badging. These Predator Pro step bars are on this particular one. Now the wheels, looks good with the fenders right here, the gray. Well, it's got this flecked gray, two-tone and metallic 20-inch alloy wheel, which I think looks great. What do you think? Now the front end here, there's a lot to take in. There's a lot to absorb. So let's be sponges and soak it in here. We've got, again, matching like the fenders. We've got horizontal slatted front grille, along with gloss black accent here that clearly tells us we're driving Tundra, baby. Then we've got parking sensors down here, along with a metallic chrome finish here all along. It has workable coolers here, all right? It's got function. All right, then we've got LED headlights, daytime running lights, accent lights, and LED fog lights. We're gonna go into the shade. I'm gonna be throwing some shade around here because we do have to look up close and see those LED fog lights along with the accent down below. We'll come up here. Remember, these are workable, they're usable, they've got function. Here's our LED lights, and look at that, they wrap around. Toyota's big philosophy was to make sure they had a vehicle inside and out with interlocking features, interlocking pieces. And then this right here is part of the multi-view monitor that we have here, a front camera. Might as well go all the way around it, right? See what it looks like when it's not in the sun. Another camera is here. Another camera is here. We've got some bed lights. Got cameras here. All Tundras for 2022 are equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, so it has the latest safety features that help prevent accidents from distraction, front collisions, lane changing collisions, back collisions. I tried the lane tracing assist. It does keep you centered right in your lane, going around turns. It's a great system to use. And it also has, I like the road sign assist because it told me the speed limit of what I was going. So a lot of different things that can help you with just making life easier and safer. I got something to tell you. I've got something to say. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. When I put this down, see how low and slow it goes, and also see that it says Tundra right there. It's a composite bed, so that means it's aluminum reinforced. It prevents dents and scratches, and it's also a lighter bed, so it helps you out with your payload requirements as well. Comes with a deck rail system here on 3 sides, so you can put your cleats in. It's got tie downs as well, and it holds my gear. When they were describing it, Toyota talked about all of the care that they took in the smallest of details, even making this a 3-dimensional tailgate. See these tail lights, LED tail lights, they're interlocked. Integrated bumper, looks tough. I know some of you won't like that, but I think it looks great. I think it looks great. We'll see what you guys think. And remember, we've already tried it, but this is where it is. One of the features I want to talk about is the available air suspension. You can do it manually or automatic, and you can control whether you have the back low, normal, or high. And I'll show you what I mean. We're going to just pop this button here. So see, we're at normal, we're at low, and then we're going to go back up to normal and back up to high. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be new for me too, so let's try the air suspension so you can see. Hopefully we can get a good view of what's going on right here. All right, so we're going to change the setting to normal. And now we're going to change it to low. And then I'm going to go back up and change it to high. Rise, my friend, rise. Just gonna stand here, see if it lowers. Oh yeah, I feel it. I feel it, baby. Ah! What? That is crazy. So what's under the hood? What's gonna make it run? Two different choices. We've got the I-Force engine, which is what this is. You can also call it the base, $100 billion. All right, we've got a 3.5 liter twin turbo V6 engine, right? It's matched with a 10-speed automatic transmission. You can produce 479 pound-feet of torque along with 389 horsepower. This has front double wishbone suspension and new multi-link rear suspension in the back. All right, it's a smooth, comfortable ride, I can assure you of that. Let's take a look. Here's a look under the engine. It has soundproofing material. Again, this is the twin turbo, replacing our old reliable V8 engine. I can assure you, when I drove this one, just the base twin turbo, it's swift on the highway. It accelerates up to highway speed. And even when you're going at, say, 65 already, kick it into another gear and go to 75. It's smooth. The suspension is soft and forgiving. It's a great, great ride. So now let's go ahead and turn it on. We're gonna hit the push button start here. It sets your profile so that you can have it set for your musical preferences, climate settings, and also your seat settings. All right, let's check out the interior here. We've got metallic accents running along the window. This is your power. I'm using my iPhone, so you'll probably see that. Our mirror adjustments. We've got accents of all kinds mixed in here. A little pocket for whatever you want it to be. Two different memory settings. What? And then this will be refined a little bit, but it's got some drink holders as well. So let's come over here. This is the spotlight for the back, automatic, high beams. We've got AC power, all sorts of things going on here. The smart braking. This one right here is the engine start stop. If you want to deactivate it, you can. It does not have a power activated steering wheel on this particular trim level, but look at these accents here, like a carbon fiber type. We're going to scan from the headrest to the back window. Can open that to the side and then back. It's got some map lights up there. It's also got some hooks for hanging clothes, perhaps, of some sort. It's great for my camera gear that I've got stuffed back there. Let's look at the pattern on the driver's seat here. Remember, this is limited, so it has luxury features. You'll see heated and cooled front seats. What do you mean, Jeff? Well, if you come up over here, this is heated. I don't want that today. It's 90 and humid. Beautiful day though. And then this one's already at the 1 setting for cooled seats as well. You can kind of tick, 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 tick. Fan speed is up and down this way. You can sync it all up. You can do modes. USB. I like recirculated air myself. Got our defrosters. Boom. And then look at the detail in this little knob here. Change the volume. Yeah, I'll change the volume. Just like that. Take a look here. We've got JBL sound system here. Crystal clear sound, I always say. I really like the upgrades when we go to that model. We're just looking around here so that you can see. And remember, these features are pre-production prototype vehicle. Okay, this is our trailer guide. This is different views. So now we can see in front of us, see different views along the sides of, the back part of. And then we've got the bed view as well. The wireless charging pad. It's at about a 60-65 degree angle here so that you can put your smartphone, lots of storage in here. And then the way this opens up, we've got this. We've got, let's see, does that open up? Yes, it does. Of course it does. I knew it did. This is new. New to me. Got plugins, got coin holders, got the new key. Let's check that out. This is for the back tailgate. Here we go. We've got different settings so that you can see different pieces of information about your vehicle. Let's go over one. You can see compass, lane departure alert, radar cruise control, got radio settings, trip time, trailer brake control. You can hook up your trailer. This is pitch and roll meter here. And then, wait, let me go back one. Okay, we're good. All right, lane tracing assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitor, parking sensors, rear cross traffic alert, road sign assist. We can do trailer settings. You can select or add a trailer, trailer light check. Vehicle settings. The rear seat reminder is new. Language and units. Let's try this out, this new audio multimedia system. Hey Toyota.
What do you want to do?
What's the weather like here?
It is mostly sunny in Canyon Lake, Texas, and it feels like 92 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow. Okay, Toyota.
How can I help you?
Directions to San Antonio International Airport.
I found San Antonio International Airport. Would you like to go now?
How long will it take to get there?
San Antonio International Airport is 29.44 miles and you should get there in 53 minutes. Would you like to go now?
Hey Toyota.
What do you want to do?
Directions to Whataburger, San Antonio, Texas.
I found 15 results. The first is Whataburger at you.
Look at this. We've got their hours, got their pricing, we've got their average rating. So much going on here. Let's switch to audio. We've got some favorites set up here based on the user profile. Let's see what else we can do. If I want talk radio, I would do Howard Stern myself. That's pretty cool, right? And then look at this. We can pinch, we can zoom, we can rotate. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the Limited model. What do you think of the features? What do you think of double cab versus CrewMax? What do you think of Supersonic Red? There's a lot to talk about. Have you seen other trim levels, maybe on my channel or other auto reviewer channels? I'd love to hear your thoughts on which trim level is best for you. But please leave a comment and say hi. My Toyota people want to know how many comments I get. I tell them a lot, but leave some comments. Let's see what kind of interaction we can get to make me look good. Thanks everybody so much. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Peace out. Follow me on Instagram. You'll see some cool videos. Toyota Jeff 1. My sister channel is Auto Jeff Reviews. Thanks everyone. We're out.